Welcome to Social Marketing, a powerful social media management tool allowing you to build fans, find customers, and engage with the community. What makes this product so powerful? Let's take a look. When you arrive in social marketing, you will land on the social marketing dashboard. This is the place where you can see, at a glance, everything social. We've identified 3 important features that matter most. First, you can view your upcoming scheduled posts. By clicking View More, you will be taken to the scheduled post page where you can see more details. The second aspect is your top performing posts. View the reach and engagement at a glance and click View More to access more in-depth post statistics. The third aspect of the dashboard is your most recent customer posts. Customers that haven't been responded to will appear here. Click View More to see all and respond to customers. At the top of the page, you can click to connect any additional accounts. There are 2 ways that you can compose a social post from the dashboard in social marketing. You can click Compose in the top bar, or you can click on the floating red button in the corner. This button stays in the corner of every page of the product, making it super easy to make a post. Let's do that now. When you open the Social Marketing Composer, you can start by selecting your desired networks. Have a few that you post to often? Save those as default. Now you're ready to start composing your post. Write your post in the text box, adding any emojis and links as necessary. You can also easily input interesting content from an RSS feed. Want more engagement on your posts? Add some media. Upload your own photos or video, or click to access the media library. Choose a free stock image or a GIF. The last step, choosing when you want to post. You can choose between posting this social post now or in the future. Not finished composing? No worries. Save this post as a draft. Now that we understand how to make a post, let's see what other amazing features social marketing has to offer. The first section is all about your posts. By clicking on Recent Posts, you are able to see all the posts that have been published to your connected social accounts, whether you posted them through social marketing or not. You can see at a glance how the posts have performed, delete them, or click to see the post on the specific network. Easily filter your posts using the filter options on the right side of the screen. The next tab is your scheduled posts. This is where you can see all upcoming posts and make any changes before they are live. The Calendar tab is a great way to view your posts, both recent and scheduled. You can choose to view by month, week, or day. This feature is a great way to visually see your social strategy. See a spot where a post would be perfect? Simply click on the date to start composing. Remember earlier when we saved our social post as a draft? You can easily find it in the Drafts tab. Click to continue editing or delete it entirely. The next tab is Customer Posts. Here is where you'll find any comments or posts that followers have made on your connected social networks. Choose to either dismiss the comment or respond. Once again, you can filter what you see on this page using the panel on the right. The next tab is Leads. This tool will help you find new customers. To best understand this amazing feature, let's set up a lead search. First, click to add a new lead search. Next, we'll choose keywords that are relevant or unique to your business and type them here. You could use something like your business name or something less specific, like the type of product you sell. If you own a flower shop, maybe it's occasion-based. You can decide if you want to add words the search must include and must not include. Lead searches are conducted through Twitter. This allows you to get really specific in terms of geography. This feature will only surface results that are within 25 miles. You can then click to preview the search. Look like some good possible leads? Click Save. Now when you head to the Leads tab, results from this very relevant search will appear. If someone is wishing someone happy anniversary, it might be the perfect opportunity to respond and get some new business. If the lead doesn't seem to fit, simply click Dismiss. The next tab is Content. Here you can find a stream of both relevant and interesting content to post. Let's click onto Content Settings to understand how this feature works. The Twitter search is very similar to the Leads tab, but let's talk about the RSS feeds. You can click Search to find existing RSS feeds to pull from. Choose from a list of industries or type a relevant topic. Have a blog? You can also add your own RSS feed. Simply paste the URL and give it a name. Once you click Save, you'll start to see aspects of this feed appear on your Content tab. Either view the article on its original site or share it with followers. Clicking Share will open the Composer with the link already pre-populated. The next tabs are all about getting a better understanding of how your social posts and accounts are doing. The Overview tab gives you a quick, high-level look at your social audience. On the Link Performance tab, you can get a better understanding of how your links are performing. See how many people have clicked the link and from which networks. The final Insight tab is Post Performance. Here you can get a very detailed view of how your posts are performing on a variety of networks. You can choose to look at all networks together or toggle between the different networks to get network-specific data. Below, you can also look at each post specifically. Use this data to better understand how your posts are performing and how to adjust your strategies. Next, we have the Settings tab. To connect any additional accounts, you can click Connect Accounts. Simply click the plus sign and follow the steps. Both lead searches and interesting content will take you back to the same workflow as in the Leads and Content tabs. The Lead Responses tab allows you to craft generic responses to better help you respond to leads. Click Add to get started. If you have a quick response, you can add it here. Once you're happy, click Save. Now, when you go to respond to your leads, you can select this pre-populated response to speed up the process. There you have it, social marketing. Now it's time for you to get to work and start posting.